Okay, I did another video recently talking about feedback in SuccessFactors using Joule, and so that was someone asking for feedback for themselves. One of the things that SuccessFactors has actually added, it was late last year, was the capability for a manager. So you can see I am logged in as a manager who has multiple direct reports, including Ben and Jada. And what the enhancement allows you to do is ask for feedback for others, right? And so this case, feedback for Ben um, from Jada. And then you could even ask a follow-up question, right? Because it drafted a couple comments, what went well, what could I improve on? But then, you can come back and say, hey, include a question about dealing with other teams. And so now it just makes it easier for you to do that directly from Joule. So feedback request for Ben from Jada on the recent SuccessFactors project, and here are the questions, and then you can go ahead and press submit. So being a manager, you can also use this to get feedback or create feedback requests as you're kind of dealing with the ongoing continuous feedback loop and having it in the system, because if you've seen some of my other AI videos, then you'll know that this all works better the more data you have in the system. So the easier you can make it for people to enter the data in whatever way, then the easier it will be for everyone, right? So, all right, this request was sent on behalf of Ben Shervin for Jada Baker, right? And so you can see that it actually has that context there as well. All right, well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Thanks.